People with chronic kidney disease who are hemodialysis dependent rely on functional vascular access to enable effective regular treatment. The arteriovenous fistula reduces risks of complications associated with dialysis and is considered the optimal route for vascular access. However, the risk of infection can be relatively common among patients undergoing hemodialysis, as there are repeated opportunities for microorganisms to enter the bloodstream during the cannulation procedure, which can lead to bloodstream infections. Aseptic technique prior to cannulation and after disconnecting from the hemodialysis machine is vital to maintain fistula viability and reduce risks of infection complications. NHS Education for Scotland appointed a practice educator to observe aseptic technique practices during hemodialysis and implement measures to reduce the risk of infection. In addition, alignment with NHS Education for Scotland Aseptic Technique e-learning programme. The objectives of the programme were to evaluate the aseptic technique practice by observing practice at the point of delivery, deliver training on aseptic technique to ensure consistency of practice, evaluate aseptic technique practice post-training, and to use a quality improvement methodology such as plan, do, study, act cycle to facilitate a change in practice. The audit was conducted using a data collection tool adapted from the Centre for Disease Control. Following the observation audit and the delivery of aseptic technique education programme, adherence and improved compliance of aseptic technique practice was observed in the post-observation period. This project has been successful in showing improved compliance of aseptic technique after implementation of an education programme.